What's good? This your boy Kano with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be watching top 10 disturbing ring doorbell camera footage. And basically weird things at your doorstep. Okay, so this is the top 10. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to me. I am starting this new reaction channel right here. I also produce music. And I have tons of different sound checks. And if you're interested, just please go to my email, which is kdspc27@gmail.com. All you got to do is basically, just write me and I will respond back. But anyway, let's get into this reaction, man. Let's see what's going down.
Imagine an alert on your phone wakes you up in the middle of the night saying that someone is standing at your front door. That would be pretty terrifying. And it's happened to a number of people. From a visit from a creepy clown to a crazed woman trying to get inside someone's house. Let's talk about these and more only on today's Top 10 list. Starting off this countdown, we have the slithery friend. Oh, I don't like snakes. That is terrifying.
Yo.
Look how big it is.
Bro, I promise, if I see a snake in front of my door, I might just go crazy. Oh my God, I'm so sorry about that, y'all. Deal with me. I am using my mobile phone. Oh well, I'm trying. I will update my equipment as soon as things get better for me. Yo, so that's crazy.
Oh, hell no. Oh no, hell to the no. No, I would never go outside ever again. Where is this? Where are they living? Thank God in Canada we don't have just like snakes roaming around to like climb on our doors. But imagine opening up the door and seeing that guy just like, hey, how's it going? That's my snake impression. But I think it would be vicious and like attack. No thank you, I really don't like snakes. They give me the heebie-jeebies. Moving on to number 9, we have the masked man. And if you guys are liking this video so far, then you know the drill. Hit that thumbs up button because it really helps us out.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Bro, I promise, if somebody got a mask on in front of my door, they're gonna see some iron go up their ass. Real talk. Hell no. Man, that's crazy.
The creepy masked man that you...
What's up, affiliate marketers? How you doing? This is Michael Bashi here. Now, really quick, listen,
you just saw came to the same house 3 times in 1 week. The homeowners, Richard and Sandra Gerber, were away on vacation when they got an alert that someone was at their front door. This man would come, ring the doorbell, and then leave. Like I said, he did this on 3 different nights. On one night, he tried to break in. Now, the owners alerted the police about this man, and so they actually staked out in their backyard. They were just waiting for the man to return, and they caught him. Turns out that the scary masked man is a man named Walter Denick, and he was arrested and found guilty of attempted burglary. In our 8th spot, we have the creepy doll.
Oh, hell no. Hey, that's fake, man. Man, really? Really? Why would a doll list this some stuff off Chucky? Okay. Possessed doll or something at your door? I ain't believing that one. I ain't going for that one, man. A doll, really? Man, that's real. I'll probably have a heart attack. For real, for real.
dolls. I don't
Hell no. Y'all seen that? That damn thing look like it finna come my screen. I'm about to knock the hell out my phone.
like a lot of things. I just realized I'm like, I don't like snakes. I don't like creepy dolls. Wow, but that thing's terrifying, especially with the sound effects. Can you imagine looking and you're like, oh, who's there? Oh, is it a Girl Scout? And you look and it's this girl? That's creepy. No, thank you. Call the cops. Stage your house. Get out of there. Coming in at number 7, we have the doorbell licker.
The doorbell. Bruh. Do he know it's COVID-19 out here? And you gotta be sick to be in front of somebody's doorstep licking their doorbell. That's crazy. I think he got a mental problem to be doing something like that. And that's disgusting. That's not disturbing. That's disgusting. And besides, if I see somebody licking my doorbell, oh, you gonna get popped.
On Saturday, January 5th, in the early hours in the morning, a doorbell cam caught a strange man licking someone's doorbell system for 3 hours. Why did he do this? Well, that's the question we all want to know. Doesn't he have better things to do? Guess not.
You a dog for real.
The homeowners were confused as to who this man was and why he decided to target their house for a licking session. Well, they ended up giving the footage over to the police and they managed to catch the man. His name is Robert Arroyo, and apparently he has been accused of stealing extension cords from Christmas decorations. And so police recognized him instantly, and they too were weirded out by his behavior. In our 6th spot, we have the uninvited guest.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No. No.
I don't like spiders.
It's so Ew. Oh man, that is disgusting. That is so gross. Where is this? Is this Australia? Because I know they...
I hear I say Federal Scorskin. Yeah, well, anyway, man, y'all make sure y'all go follow these people, man. I will leave the video in the description. Oh my God, make sure you like, comment for them as well, because it's their content. I mean, this is my disclaimer as well. I do not own the content. I'm just reacting. But this is crazy.
have huge spiders there. Again, I'm glad that we don't have big spiders where I live, because that's a big note from me. Did you see that thing? It was massive! That's disgusting. Imagine somebody, like the mailman, coming up to your door, about to ring the door, and seeing that. No. I feel like there's a spider on me now. Gross. We are now at our 5th and halfway mark with the clown.
Hell no. Okay. I know there ain't no spider web. I said spider. I'm thinking about the last one. I know this ain't no clown with a balloon, man. You can't be playing up by a doorstep with that clown suit on. You literally would get killed. For real. Like, I don't mess with clowns. I don't like clowns. For real.
So a couple of years ago in Green Bay, Wisconsin, a number of residents were terrified after seeing this strange clown walking around in the middle of the night. The man you just saw in the video was named Gags the Green Bay Clown. He was first spotted at 2 a.m. on...
And whatever his name, clown, would be dead on the ground. For real.
August 1st. Then over the nights, he would stalk a number of homes.
Psycho.
If you're scared of clowns, then surely seeing this outside your house in the middle of the night would give you a heart attack. And at number 4, we have the eye. pluck his eyebrows. That's what he's got to do. That was so creepy. All I heard is, hey, what do I do? There's a big creature. That's like literally all I heard, and that's all I need to hear because that's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. Who is this dude? Who is this house? Why doesn't he just call the cops? And why has he got a really creepy eyeball? And like I said, he's gonna pluck those eyebrows because, they're not working. I hope.
Why he have a really creepy eyeball? Cause he'll creep.
That man's okay. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Coming in at number 3, we have the ghost. Now, what's terrifying about this next clip is the fact that we can hear somebody at the door, but we can't see anyone. The Ring doorbell went off and started recording, so it clearly detected that something was there. But what is it? By sounds of the voice, it's probably a demon. I think it's time for that house to have an exorcism or something. If anyone can decode what that demon is talking about, then let me know. Maybe it's just cold and wants to come in and warm up. Moving on to number 2, we have the delivery.
First of all, I ain't going with the ghost. I ain't believing it, cause technology these days can mess up, and if there was some type of ghost, where the paranormal activities at, ain't nothing flying out the porch, so I ain't believing the ghost one, so. What the hell?
Hear the police sirens? Oh my god. It's like they're coming for him.
What you just left on the porch?
What is that? What did he just drop off on their front porch? I don't know, but I wouldn't open that.
If you want to make money online, I can guarantee you haven't heard of the simple method hundreds are using to make 5 figures.
Nuh-uh. I have no clue what that is, and I don't want to know what that is because it's probably something bad because this looks like an evil man, and I don't like him. That's terrifying. And in our number 1 spot, we have the old woman.
What are you doing, lady? What's she doing?
She's not okay. She is possessed or something. I have no clue what was in her hand. She's definitely possessed by something. I don't know what's wrong with her. Her face looks evil. Like, that's an evil Karen right there, and I don't like that. See, this is why I don't want to get one of these doorbells. Like, I feel like I should because it's like I can spy on people that come and, But at the same time, it's like, do I really want to know who's standing outside my house? Not really. It's scary. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know which video spooked you the most. And now let's move on to our comment shout out portion. I'll be shouting out comments from the video. Top 10 creepiest items ever sold on eBay. Matthew Sonsoki commented, a good story can sell just about anything. As we learned from that video, it's true. I'm telling you, I'm gonna post something like, ooh, an elastic band, or like, I'm gonna put, like my bracelet. I'll list it and I'll be like, haunted bracelet can curse your soul, and then a bunch of people will buy it. I'll just sell it for $100,000 because the woman in the video sold a haunted cane for like $600,000. So I'm just gonna make up some story, say it's haunted, and sell it. Nina Hernandez commented, "Yay, made my afternoon better. Hey Lindsay, hey, how are you, Nina? Glad I could make your afternoon better." Chuck McKendry commented, a couple of weeks ago, a coworker of mine bought what he believes is Justin Bieber's expired driver's license on eBay. I hate to break it to you, but I don't think it is. Your friend may have just gotten ripped off. Also, he bought his driver's license last week. Alright guys, that's all the comments I'm shouting out for today's video. Make sure to comment something down below for a chance to be featured in my next comment shout out. And as always,
alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed that crazy video. Oh my god, that was just crazy. You never know what's in front of your door. So if you're at home now, go outside and see what's out there. Good luck. By the way, if something is in front of your doorstep by your doorbell, and it don't belong there. You can simply just pick up and call 911, or you can just handle it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Get you a piece of iron and just, wear that iron out. You know what I'm saying? So be safe out there, man. You can't be, safe at home because you got strange things in front of your doorstep. Lord have mercy. Lord be with us. I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. I'm out. Yay.